guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Aishwarya Gorentyal here. In this video, I am going to share this glowing nude pink makeup. I'm going to share step-by-step tutorial with you all. So please make sure that you watch this entire video till the end. I'm gonna start my makeup by applying primer first. For that, I am using this Swiss Beauty's primer. It is a real makeup base highlighting primer. I'm going to spread this out using this flat brush. You can use your fingers, but I'm going to use a flat brush today. I'm going to move on with my concealer next. For that, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal's Inflammable Concealer. It's a full coverage concealer, so I'm just going to apply very little on the dark spots and under my eye. Going to blend this concealer out using this packed brush. This is PAC's 218 concealer brush. Concealer now is nicely blended. This has covered pretty much everything, but I'm going to apply very little foundation. For that, I'm going to use my favorite foundations of all time, which is this PAC HD Liquid Foundation. I absolutely love this. I'm just going to take single pump of it. I'm going to dot very little everywhere. If you know me, you would know this. I do not like to apply my foundations onto my neck. I'm not going to apply it on my neck because be it any foundation, it oxidizes a lot onto my neck, so I don't like to apply. I'm going to blend my foundation using this packed brush. This is the 265 foundation blending brush. Okay, so this is how my skin looks like up close. It looks so much skin-like. This is what we want. I'm going to move on with my next step now. I'm going to apply this loose powder. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to take the same concealer brush and I'm going to dust off everything, because it was a loose powder and I don't want it to sit on my skin. Also, this will make sure that I do not have any white cast on my skin. I'm gonna move in with my bronzer. For that, I'm using the Sugar palette. I'm slightly going to bronze my nose first. Now I'm going to bronze my cheeks. Again, I'm going to do the same using my concealer brush. I don't want this to look harsh on my skin, so that is why I'm going to do this. I'm not going to apply any blush because I'm not a blush person, but yes, I'm going to do my favorite step, which is highlighter. For that, I'm using the same palette for it. I'm going to set my base. For that, I'm going to use this NYX setting spray. I'm going to do my eye makeup later after I'm done setting my face. So to do my eye makeup, I'm going to use this e.l.f. palette. I'm going to use this lighter shade first, then I'm going to build it using this shade. Now I'm picking the other shade. I'm going to apply it in the outer corner and in the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to pick the shade very little. I'm going to apply it in the center of my eyelid. I'm going to take the same highlighter and I'm going to pop it in the inner corner of my eye. Taking this color again, I'm going to apply very little on my lower lash line. Gonna apply this mascara. This is by Sugar. I'm going to apply this Nude Kajal. This is by Pack. Going to apply this lipstick. This is by Bella Worsted. This is a pretty nude pink lipstick, so I'm going to apply it. I'm going to go in with one more lipstick. This is by Maybelline. I'm just going to apply it in the center of my lips. I'll go off camera and I'll apply my falsies and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went and popped my eyelashes and this is how my makeup looks. I really hope that you have enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please make sure that you like my video and also subscribe to my channel if you're watching me for the very first time, because it will really mean a lot to me. I'll see you in my another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.